In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on Canvas so that ChatGPT can be able to collaborate between text and codes all in one. Now, all you need to do is to go to your account, and your account is on top here. And once you are here, tap on Customize ChatGPT. Now, when you tap on it, scroll down on Customize ChatGPT until you get to ChatGPT capabilities. And as you can see, the Canvas option is turned off. And if you hover around it, you can see this button or this function helps ChatGPT to collaborate on text and code. So what we want to do is to turn it on. And once you have turned it on, go ahead and click on Save. And that will keep the changes that we have just set. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.